So if you are looking for an entry level device, please don't buy the iTel A04. Today we are here for the iTel A04, which is a recently silently announced entry level device that costs around 36,900 naira, which I think is not worth releasing because it is just a successor, or rather a downgrade from the iTel A06 they released this year, which comes with 3G network. What's up guys, it's Michael. So iTel recently announced the iTel A04, which is an entry level device, which is basically the iTel A60 but without 4G, and has a smaller screen which is around 6.1 inches with 2 gig of RAM and 32 gigabyte of internal storage, which is no different from the iTel A06 that they released earlier this year. It also comes with a 4000 milliamp battery, micro USB, a case, and what came with the itel A60. Basically, I feel that this device was not supposed to be announced. Rather, it is just a waste of people's money. If you eventually buy you are just actually wasting your money to buy this device. Rather, just get the itel A60, or if you can afford the itel A60 instantly, you can use easy buy to buy that device if you want 4G. Since we're in the era of 5G, the itel A04, which comes with 3G in 2023, is so useless and not worth buying. The chipset in this device is a old unisoc chipset from 2018, which is close to around 6 years, if I am not mistaken. Personally, I would advise you should not buy the itel A04 because it is a total waste of your money. This video might seem very hateful, but it might be, might not. My very painful to the guys over at iTel, but I truly like their devices, like the one they recently released, which is the S23, which comes with 8 gig of RAM and 8 gig extra true memory fusion, and it is decently priced. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on future videos. Peace.